So here's the white book that's in my videos all the time where I put the cigars on, the Illustrated Encyclopedia of Post-Revolution Havana Cigars, which was written by Min Ron Nee and published in 2003. An interesting thing of note here is that what I've been told is that all but 4 boxes of the cigars that are pictured in this book were in his personal collection at the time that he was writing this book back in probably the early 2000s, like 2000, 2001, whatever. Everything else was in his personal collection at the time, and I'm sure he's probably acquired the 4 boxes that he needed for filming, and he's doing a second edition as well. But this book was a inspiration for me. I purchased this book roughly in 2007, about 11 years ago at the time of filming. And this book was my inspiration for starting my YouTube channel and documenting as a point of reference for myself and other people that care to watch this going into the future. So, and this book, you know, when I started reading it and going through this book, every time I read this book, I seem to find something new and interesting in this book. So it's just a never-ending kind of a journey, so to speak, with going through this book and looking at the pictures, the tasting notes, and all of various history that was recorded by Min Ron Nee in very nice detail. But another enjoyable thing about this book is that everything is short and to the point, but you get a lot of information. Anyway, I've rambled on enough. I just wanted to put this out there. It's a real quick video for people, you know, that are asking what that white book is. So there it is there, and that's enough out of me.